Hi everyone. Now we can see here the workplace and builder button. But suppose you sometimes these buttons is not available. So why these buttons not available? Let me do one thing. If I go to the administrator, there is a profile. We can select the profiles. Right now there are two profiles. Suppose I have removed this profile. Okay, then we don't have access to system administrator. So if I save this, okay, and now I'm trying to, okay, see, this will be the happen. Now if you try to get this, try to log in as a site. Now you can see here those two buttons are not available here. So now we are now now we need to resolve this issue. So first you have to open the VS Code, and you have to create a one folder, uh, control shift P, and then with manifest. Okay, control shift P, create a project with manifest. Like this you have to create. Once the project has been created, then you have to authorize an org. So once you click on no default org, so you can see there is, it will open automatically authorize an org. Then you need to authorize. Right now this is my developer org, so I have taken project. Then I have given some name. Okay, it will authorize. Once the authorization is complete, then we need to, no, no, it will directly redirect, or you need to copy it to the same your tab, sorry, in Chrome. Then you can authorize. Once the authorization is successful, then again go to the your uh, VS Code. Now see here, till here it's going on. Here your authorization is successful. Now now come to the our terminal. Before this I had did a lot of mistake here. So now I have tried the terminal command before the authorization. So right now I'm trying this again. You go to the terminal and then run one command, SFDX force colon source colon retrieve base network, then enter. I'm getting one error. See, I have did one mistake again. Instead of network, there is a one spelling mistake. And network, then enter. So see here, the command is running properly. Now you will get a, this will retrieve the metadata for Experience Cloud site from all your org. So it's working. Now you can see here the metadata has been created. Now you need to follow this project path to find the network. So go to the Force app, default network, Suyog Tech. So right now see here, Force app, default network. Here the network. Now this you can see here, there is a one uh, XML file is open. Now you can see here one okay, you can see the network member group is only this profile, customer community user profile. Now you have to add our administrator profile. The name is admin. Add me. Okay, customer community user, and then I have added as a admin as a profile. Now you have to deploy this. Once the deploy or you have to only save and then run a one SFDX force source deploy, then paste yum, then again paste double inverted comma, then network net, network network colon Suyog capital. You have to check this one. Suyog Tech. So what is the Suyog Tech? Let me share you. This is my all site name. This is as it is. You need to add here Suyog Tech. Then see SFDX. Then I'm going to enter. So you can see deployment is succeeded. Now I hope it will. Sorry, there is one issue. I have not saved this Suyog Tech XML. Once this save, then same thing you need to do. It will come. And right now see here the workspace